Hello, welcome to Remedy from Kernel Oil Mill Abakaliki. I am Woke Kennedy, the CEO. Let me take you through the process of palm kernel oil mill. You can see the entire workshop made of zinc roofing sheets. First of all, when the palm kernel arrives, it is first dried with this machine called the palm kernel toaster. The mechanism of this machine, which is a new innovation, is that firewood, as you can see, we have big stock of them, is used for the firing. Then the heat process, the heat is then converted by this chamber called the blower, powered by this gasoline engine. Then the kernel, which will be loaded here, is dried by the heat gradually. It takes at least 2 to 3 hours to dry palm kernel during the wet season, but less than 2 hours during the dry season. It is faster than the electric powered system because you have to wait for NEPA if you use that process. Here is the tanker. Then going inside the workshop, these are bags of PKC, and this is the heap of PKC from last night's processing. There is no light now. This is the dried palm kernel. As you can see, it is dry. You can see it's shining. This is the oil. It is already exuding out of the dryness. Now this machine is the one that does the extraction of the oil, the palm kernel oil expeller. This was the first one I built in 2016. It is locally fabricated. This second one is waiting for assembly, but because we do not have enough money to buy more raw materials, we're still using this one for now. When the palm kernel is crushed, the oil follows this path. You can see the oil through this tunnel and then enters this tank. Then from this tank, a palm kernel oil filter press machine. It is faulty currently. You can see it down here. The filter press machine here does the filtering. This is the filter cloth. It is waiting to be fixed because it is faulty. So what we do now is, after the milling, we allow it to settle to clarity. You can see it. Then from here we pump it to the tank. It's outside there. That is the process. Now, what is palm kernel oil used for? It is used for soap making. It is also used for detergents and other cosmetics that are oil based. Palm kernel oil is also refined to the groundnut oil we eat in our homes today in Nigeria. Then what is the palm kernel cake used for? It's used for feed formulation, poultry feed, also for fish. A recent research I read also suggested it can be used for cattle rearing. That can also curb herdsmen and farmers clashes in Nigeria. So this is the tank, and this is the bike, the vehicle used for the company business. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Tony Lumelu Foundation 2019. I am hopeful that you will give us funds to do our job better. Thank you. Bye bye.